Ready, get cooking? Whoa! Pizza! The favorite of most people. In honor of this comfort food favorite, my family put together a whole list of pizza facts that will definitely fuel your curious minds. And there you have it! Oven is waiting. I can't wait to taste my very first homemade pizza. But have you ever wondered where pizza came from? Pizza came from the Latin root word piscia, which means the blackening of crust by fire. Do you think of pizza as a flat bread cooked in the oven? If so, its history go back to earliest times here in the Middle East. The old Babylonians, Israelites, and Egyptians all ate flat bread baked in mud ovens. How about the toppings? The ancient Greeks and Romans, they both baked flatbreads topped with olive oil and spices. Today, we call this dish focaccia bread. How about the modern pizza that most of us are familiar with? The one with tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings. That did start in Italy. Thank you to Raffaella Esposito from Naples for making the first such pizza pie. But other historians said that street vendors in Naples sold flatbreads with toppings for many years before then. Esposito was asked by King Umberto I and Queen Margherita, who visited Naples in 1889, to make them a pizza. He topped the pizza with pressed tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. That kind of pizza is none other than Pizza Margherita today. Hooray! We've learned a lot now. Because pizza is one of the most popular foods indeed around the world. Do you like pizza? What are your favorite toppings? A pizza slice a day keeps sadness away. Oh, I am a pizza with extra cheese. From tomato sauces squeezed, onions and mushrooms, oregano. I am a pizza ready to go. Oh, I am a pizza with extra cheese. From tomato sauces squeezed, onions and mushrooms, oregano. I am a pizza ready to go. Oh, I am a pizza, pepperoni, no anchovies or phony baloney. I am a pizza, order by phone. I am a pizza, please take me home. Oh, I am a pizza with peppers on top. Out of the oven, into the box, into the car and upside down. I am a pizza dropped on the ground. Oh, I was a pizza, I was the best.